Alright, let's complete adding the bevel for the other pieces. I will start with this one. So now I can add the bevel from here. Let's make sure that I added shade smooth. Yeah, I will take the bevel that I added for this piece and apply it for this one. To do that, grab this, hold shift to grab this one, and then hit Ctrl L and link the modifier. And in this way, you just apply the bevel from this piece to this piece. Alright, now let's select this piece alone and let's see what we got here. So this is the result that we got. I think we got a problem with the scale because the bevel is not similar to this one. And I think that's because of the scale. Let's open this menu and let's see what we got here. Let's go to item. The scale is 1. Everything is perfect. But there is a problem here. Well, let's take this down. Hold shift and grab this down. And make it very subtle. And let's see if is there any problem. You can hit slash to isolate this piece alone. And maybe we need to hit 0.1, the bevel for this piece. I think 0.1 will be enough with 2 segments. Yeah, that's nice. Hit slash and let's apply the same bevel for this piece and this one. So grab this, hold shift, grab this, keep holding shift and grab this, and then Ctrl L and link modifier, and there we go. Now we got the same result without any problem. Well, grab this, hold shift, grab this, Ctrl L, enter. There we go. Grab this, hold shift to grab anyone, maybe this, Ctrl L, enter. Grab this one, hold shift to grab this, Ctrl L, enter. There we go. I will select this piece. I think there is a problem with it, and isolate it. Hit slash, and we just apply the bevel, but we don't see any bevel. Maybe because of the scale. Let's check the scale. Yeah, we got a problem with scale here. I need to apply the scale to get nice result. Keep your eye on this sliders here. When I hit Ctrl A and apply the scale, these will jump to 1 and the bevel will apply correctly. So Ctrl A and apply the scale, and as you see, everything now is correct. But we got some issues here with the shading. There is some problem we need to fix. Alright, tap to the edit mode and let's see what we got. The problem that we got here, this edge is very close to this one, and that's not gonna help the bevel to be applied. Well, grab this edge and hold shift to grab this one, hit Ctrl X to dissolve it, and there we go. What about this one right here? That doesn't help. Well, I will make a cut from this vertex to this one. Alright, switch to vertices, grab this vertex, hold shift to grab this one, and then hit J from the keyboard. And when you complete, switch to edge, grab this edge, Ctrl X to dissolve it. And there we go. Now it is nice. Let's jump to that side. The same thing I will do. Grab this vertex, hold shift to grab this one, Ctrl J, and again Ctrl J. Grab this, hold shift, grab this one. And when you grab these, hit J, and then switch to edge, grab this edge, Ctrl X to dissolve it. And this one right here, grab this and this, Ctrl X to dissolve it. Let's see if there any problem here. Yeah, I got a problem right here. Well, select this one and dissolve it. And I got one right here. Let's turn off the bevel. Let's see what we got here. 2 edges. Okay, switch to vertices, grab this vertex. Because of this option auto merge is activated, slide this G twice and slide it, and slide this one G twice right there. Let's see what else we can do here. Let's activate the bevel. The same problem that I have right here. G twice, and slide this. There we go. Well, I got the same problem here for this edge. Switch to edge, grab this edge, Ctrl X to dissolve it. Well, that's nice. Now everything is almost clean, as I think. Well, now tap to the object mode and let's see what we got. Well, this nice result. Now let's hit slash to exit of the local mode or isolation mode. Now we have something smooth here. Let's grab this one and let's select maybe this piece to take the bevel from. Control L and link the modifier. And for this piece, this kind of bevel is very big, so I need to change that to 0.05 maybe. That's too much. 0.02. Yeah, for this piece, 0.02, that will work. So grab this piece, hold shift, grab this one to apply the same bevel for this piece right here. Control L, link the modifier. There we go. What about these pieces? Well, select this piece, hold shift. Maybe I need to take a bevel from this piece. Well, select this one, hold shift, grab this, Control L, link the modifier. And as you see, the bevel is not applied perfectly. Maybe because of the scale. The scale is not correct. Control A and apply the scale. And now it is good, but maybe we can tweak it more. Let's go to the bevel and change this to 0.0 maybe 5. Yeah, I think that's gonna be better. Well, let's take the same modifier that we applied for this one and let's apply it for this one right here. Select this piece. Sorry, select this one first, hold shift to grab this, Control L, link the modifier. Hit Control Z. I think there's a bit of problem because here we have solidify for this piece. We need to apply it. So just make sure that when you link the modifier, there is nothing here. So apply the solidify and let's repeat that again. Grab it, hold shift to grab this one, Control L, link the modifier. Well, let's check the scale. Yeah, we got a problem. Control A, apply the scale. There we go. Let's take a look. Let's see if is there any problem here. Okay, that's nice. Well, what about this piece right here? Select it, hold shift to grab this, Control L, link the modifier. And there we go. That's very nice. That's cool. Well, that's perfect. So we just apply the bevel on all of these pieces and we got a very smooth and beautiful result right here. Let's take a look. Let's see if is there any problem, issue here. Well, everything is nice. By the way, you can change the look of the geometry, the shading, I mean. If you open this arrow right here, here we have multiple choices for the studio light, or if you want to choose matcap, stands for material capture. Here you can change this pole to any pole of these. This one and this one and this one not exist default with Blender. I added them to Blender. Give me nice shading here. Can see an issue. As you see here, we have some issue here. This kind of matcaps help me to find any issue here with the shading. Well, maybe I need to make some tweaking here. Let's see what we got here. Why that's 7? Maybe I need to slide this a bit, key twice and weld it. Yeah, I think that's gonna give me a nice result. And let's see what we got here. Maybe I need to weld this one, key twice and weld it. Yeah, that's cool. You can use one of these, this shader that will help you to locate the issues. Maybe this one, key twice and slide it, and this one right here, key twice and merge it. This one, key twice and slide it and merge it. That's cool. So just keep in your mind to switch between these balls until you find something interesting benefit you. Let's see what about this piece. Well, this piece is very nice. This piece is very nice. Well, I will add all of these matcaps, this one and this one and this one. I will add them, provide them with the course. So now you just need to understand or learn how to install them. To install these matcaps, you need to go to this gear right here, and when you do that you will jump to Blender preferences, and you need to hit install matcaps. And when you do that, this browser will be opened. Now you need to go to the folder and find the matcaps. Let's go back. Yeah, these matcaps, and just select it. By the way, they are just JPEG images. You can select them and they will be installed. When you when you complete, just install them. So these three matcaps, I will provide them with the course, and now you can use them in Switch, and you can have a nice preview, material preview. Well, now let's see what else we can do here. We have some weird shading. Because we changed the matcap, now we can see some weird shading here. Tap to the edit mode and let's see what we can do here. Maybe I can merge this, G twice, and merge it. And yes, that helps. What about this one? G twice and merge it. Merge this one. Or maybe I can Control Z and merge it right here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be better. And for this one and this vertex, you can create an edge. Just hit J, and that's gonna work. And let's see what we got here. Well, this one and this one, hit J, create an edge just to support this area. And let's see what we got here. Maybe the same thing here, hit J, and that's nice. Grab this one and this one, hit J. And let's merge this vertex, key twice with this one, and let's see what else we can do. We got some weird shading here. Grab this vertex with this one, hit J, and now it is smooth. What about this piece right here? Grab this, key twice, and merge it, and that's nice. Maybe this one, merge it, merge this one. What else we can do here? We got some issue, this edge and this vertex. So as you see, when you see two vertices close to each other, that will make a problem. As you see, when I take this from this position close to this one, you notice that an issue happened in this area. Just watch that, as you see here. So keep in your mind to avoid any close vertices. You need to merge them to avoid any weird shading. Now let's tab and let's see what we got. Now it is more smooth. We got some very subtle effect here. Very subtle effect, maybe because this very close for this one. Let's merge them. Yeah. What about this side right here? Yeah, let's merge this one. Now it is very smooth and beautiful. We got some weird shading right here too. Let's select this piece and let's see what we got. Yeah, we have a mask right here, key twice and weld this. The same thing for this piece, key twice and weld this one. And let's see what else we can do here. Yeah, that's nice. Let's select the head and tap to the edit mode and let's see what we got here. Weld this one, key twice, to avoid to get rid of this weird shading here. The same thing for this side, key twice, and there we go. Now everything is almost smooth. We got some problem here. Select this and tap to the edit mode. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, this is gonna work. I'm not gonna do anything here. Let's slide this right here. We got some weird shading. Now it's gone. Or maybe I'm going to slide this for this vertex, and grab this and this and hit J. I think that's gonna be better. Let's see what we can do here. Hit J. J and merge this, and maybe for this side the same technique. Merge this, and I think that's all what we need. Alright, take your time and fix any issue with the shading until you be satisfied with the result. So now I'm going to switch this to the default one. So, and that will do for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.